Hi, my name is Lindsay Hahn, and I'm a student at Galvanize's Full Stack Program in Fort Collins. And I am here to show you my first personal project. We did these projects after the first 4 weeks of the program and after learning front-end technologies. So my application is called Cold Run. It's a web-based application that determines the appropriate running gear based on the user's current weather condition. As a person who struggles to stay motivated to work out, I created this application to help me continue my outdoor workout routine. I realized that when I looked at the current temperature and saw anything below 30 degrees, I quickly became unmotivated to run outside. And if I did run outside, I often was dressed either too hot or too cold during my run. So I created this application to make it easy to determine what to wear without having to see the temperature to get discouraged. My hope is that others will use this application to continue to stay motivated in their exercise plans. The technologies that I used to complete this were HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, and 3 APIs. I used the Google Maps Geolocation API, the Open Weather API, and the eBay API. So to get this program working, you simply will click Get Running. I have users just click this simple button because I believe if you're already lacking some motivation to run, you don't want to enter your city and state and go through all that. So by simply having this more user-friendly one-click button, it can keep the users more motivated. So when you click the button, it's going to access the Google Maps Geolocation API, determine where the user is, and then it's going to access the Open Weather API to determine the weather. So we click the button, and first you see behind the title Cold Run, you'll see the picture change based on the current weather conditions. So here we're a little overcast and cloudy today. If it was raining, it would change to a picture of rain. Can change to a thunderstorm, snow, various weather conditions. So then you can scroll down and see the 3-day forecast with the gear recommendations. Notice the temperature isn't shown. Again, this is to help the user stay motivated and not discouraged by seeing a low temperature like 10 or 15 degrees. You can see here it's fairly cold, so the recommendation is to layer up. And also note that the time is the same for the 3-day forecast. So whenever you click the button, it's going to record that time and give you the forecast for the next 3 days. If you click the How It Works button, it's going to scroll down and give you a description of the application and how it works. Next, if you continue scrolling, you'll see a gear recommendation, and this is coming from the eBay API, and it's going to tell you different type of gear to wear when it's cold outside. And then that is my application. I have found it very useful for myself to stay motivated to continue working outside even if it is cold, and my hope is that other users will see its benefits and use it and continue their workout routines. So thank you for listening.